Are you tired of sanding and polishing the surface of small wooden workpieces? This double units white belt sanding machine. Why I introduced this white belt sanding machine for you? Because this sanding machine is designed for handicraft wooden workpieces. And is easy to adjust. Worker can adjust correctly less than 10 minutes according to the workpiece's dimensions. The machine is equipped with a vacuum adsorption table that mechanizes flat sanding for small crafts, increasing efficiency by 3 to 5 times. In the current society, it is difficult to hire workers, and the panic in the pandemic. How to solve?